What is a good stock? Most people think they know, but few truly understand the depth of the question. A good stock is not luck. It is not hype. It is not what everyone is talking about today. It is a long-term commitment. A good stock is a business, a real business, that grows, earns, and survives. It is a productive asset that works for you. Most beginners make one big mistake. They buy based on emotions. They see price going up, and they jump in for fear of missing out. But price is not value. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. To win, you must understand the fundamentals. We must look deeper than the chart. We must analyze both quantitative and qualitative data to find the intrinsic value. Quantitatively, look for consistent profits and growing revenue. Examine the return on equity and the net profit margin. These are the markers of efficiency. Specifically, look for a return on equity above 15%. This tells you how much profit a company generates with the money shareholders have invested. High net profit margins signal pricing power. Check the financial health. Does the company have more debt than equity? A healthy business maintains a strong balance sheet to survive any storm. Check the debt-to-equity ratio. A great business shouldn't need massive debt to grow. A current ratio between 1.5 and 3 ensures they can meet their short-term obligations comfortably. And most importantly, it has a clear future. Ask yourself, if the stock market closed for 5 years, would you still want to own this company? If the answer is no, then it is not a good stock. You are not yet an investor. You are a speculator. A good stock has a competitive advantage. Warren Buffett calls this an economic moat. It protects profits from competitors. A moat can be a powerful brand, an intangible asset that allows a company to charge more because people trust the name. It could be the network effect, where the product becomes more valuable as more people join. Think of payment platforms or social networks. Or it could be high switching costs. When it is too painful or expensive for a customer to leave, that business has a lock on its market. Finally, there is cost advantage. A business that can produce at a lower cost than anyone else has a structural edge that is hard to copy. And then, there is management. Behind every great company, there are great people making disciplined decisions. The most important job of a CEO is capital allocation. How they spend the company's cash determines your future returns as a shareholder. Look for leaders with skin in the game. When management owns a lot of stock, their interests are perfectly aligned with yours. Now listen carefully. Even a good stock can be a bad investment if you buy it at the wrong price. Price and value are rarely the same. Use the price-to-earnings ratio to see what the market is paying for growth. But remember the PAG ratio. It adjusts the price by the growth rate. A PAG below 1.0 is often a sign of hidden value. You must seek a margin of safety. Buy for 70 cents what is worth $1. This gap protects you from the unknown and your own errors. Price matters. A smart investor does not chase trends. They wait for opportunity. They wait for value, because patience is power. The market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Discipline is not just a trait, it is everything. Stay within your circle of competence. Only invest in what you truly understand. If you cannot explain the business to a child, you shouldn't own it. Stay within your circle of competence. Knowing what you don't know is more important than being brilliant. If an industry is too complex, have the discipline to walk away and wait for a simpler opportunity. Next time you think about buying, don't ask, is it going up? Ask, is this a strong business? And am I buying with knowledge or emotion? Your answer will define your success. People who learn, win. People who rush, lose. Continuous learning is your only true edge. Learn the business, understand the value, control your emotions. That is how you find a good stock and build lasting wealth. Follow for more real investing lessons. Join us at Wealth Entertainment 21 on YouTube and arussayed.growth on Instagram. Your journey begins with wisdom.